Over 100,000 people in Israel suffer from Alzheimer's disease. EMDA, a non-profit organization supporting Alzheimer's patients, wanted to launch an online fundraising campaign. We had to look for a cheap, surprising way to make online users understand what people with Alzheimer's go through each and every day. Our solution was to meet users at the exact moment their memory betrays them, when they forget the password to their favorite website. Then, when they clicked on the Forgot Your Password button, an unexpected banner appeared. Forgot your password? That's awkward. Imagine how it feels forgetting the names of your children. From there, users were led to the Israeli Alzheimer's Society website, where they were able to make donations and read more about the disease. The result? Thousands of users who forgot their passwords clicked on the banner and entered the donation mini-site. This unique use of media received great attention, and EMDA succeeded in raising awareness and donations.